Okay, we're here to talk about Unit 1, Learning Outcome 3.1 Tools to Identify Problems. And as you can see on the right side, I've already got my fishbone diagram up. On the website, I've got a more technical one, but I decided to make something that's a bit more maybe accessible in terms of information. So the main problem is there's no internet. So what you do is you draw a line like the main backbone of a fish, and then you have the smaller bones and subsequently smaller bones, where you get to the actual things you decide as a person or as a group of people, what are all the possible problems? So maybe it's the wireless access points, and you can group things by hardware, software, users, and finances. So we sort of write down all the problems there are, and then we look at them one at a time. We go, okay, is it the wireless access points? No. Is it the switch? Is it the router? Have we updated the recent server patches? Is it outdated operating system? We didn't pay the internet bill, so we pay that, and then the internet comes back online. Now, the next method is the 5 whys, which is useful for asking people mentally, emotionally, coaching. I suppose you'd use the 5 whys. I wouldn't necessarily call into a call center and expect the internet technician to say, well, why? Well, I don't know. That's why I called you. So you can see in this example, why is there no internet? We didn't pay the why because we didn't pay the bill. Why? Forgot. Why? Didn't look in the planner. Why? I need to make some time. So the 5 whys is really useful for figuring out the root cause of a situation. It doesn't necessarily explore all of the situations like it would in the fishbone diagram. So remember, with this learning outcome, you are evaluating a range of tools. So you're not just describing and explaining them. So you're going to say which ones are better used for certain things. Now, the last one, computational thinking, here on the website, you can see you can decompose problems into smaller problems, which is a bit like the fishbone diagram. Abstraction is like, let's say you're driving behind a car, you don't see the engine and the pistons moving up and down. There's certain abstraction. You sort of you hide yourself from the main things that you know should be working. So like when you start the car, those a series of reactions where, you know, air is pumped in and gas, and that's like the spark ignites it, and then the pistons move up and down. Abstraction is a bit more of a complex topic. Pattern recognition is like looking for an A in every person's name that you wanted to change. And an algorithm is a series of steps, or like a recipe for making eggs. You know, first get eggs. If you don't, go to the store, then crack them, then. So you're following a logical step-by-step process to figure out a problem to your internet solution. You'd probably use computational thinking with the fishbone diagram. But if you're in this report, I would really just stick to the fishbone diagram and the 5 whys. They seem to be the easiest to talk about. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.